Hi, I'm the programming professor, and today I want to share with you the 5-step process for holding sprint retrospectives that will optimize your Agile development team. Welcome to another lecture from the programming professor. Today, we're covering an essential practice for Agile teams, sprint retrospectives. These meetings are the key to continuous improvement, helping teams reflect on their work and make meaningful changes. Let's get started. Sprint retrospectives help teams grow and improve over time. We'll begin by understanding what a sprint retrospective is, followed by the 5 key phases that make retrospectives successful. Then, we'll explore techniques for gathering feedback, using data effectively, and turning insights into action. Finally, we'll wrap up with best practices for keeping retrospectives productive. A sprint retrospective is a meeting held at the end of a sprint to reflect on the team's process, not the product. It's a collaborative and constructive session where the team discusses what worked, what didn't, and how they can improve. As the Agile Manifesto states, at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. The 5 phases of a retrospective provide structure to the discussion. First, we set the stage by creating a welcoming and psychologically safe environment. Next, we gather data, collecting both objective metrics and subjective feedback. Then, we generate insights by analyzing patterns and identifying root causes. After that, we decide what to do, prioritizing improvements and defining action items. Finally, we close the retrospective by documenting insights and planning the next steps. Setting the stage is all about creating a space where everyone feels comfortable sharing. This means establishing goals for the meeting, encouraging open discussion, and fostering psychological safety. A great way to start is by asking simple questions like, "What was our biggest strength this sprint?" Or, "What's one thing we should improve?" These small prompts get everyone engaged from the beginning. A powerful tool for building trust is the retrospective prime directive. This guideline reminds the team that, regardless of what happened, everyone did the best they could with the information and resources they had at the time. It sets a positive tone and prevents blame-focused discussions. A great way to maintain productive discussions and ensure team alignment is through working agreements. These are guidelines that the team collectively defines and commits to following. They help establish norms and behaviors that improve collaboration and keep retrospectives on track. A simple example could be, everyone participates, no blaming, and stay on topic. By having these agreements in place, retrospectives become more structured and meaningful. If issues arise, the team can refer back to their working agreements as a neutral guideline for handling conflicts and improving communication. Next, we gather data, both objective and subjective. Objective data includes story points completed, pull requests merged, and sprint goals achieved. Subjective data is just as important. Team members share their experiences, challenges, and emotional reactions. Techniques like mad, sad, glad help capture how the team is feeling about their work. Burndown charts provide a great visual representation of team progress. They show the remaining story points over time, helping teams spot trends in their velocity and identify roadblocks early. Now that we have data, it's time to generate insights. Instead of just listing problems, we analyze patterns across multiple sprints to identify recurring issues. If delays keep happening, we need to determine whether the cause is unclear requirements, lack of resources, or poor communication. Shifting perspectives can also help uncover hidden factors. Rather than focusing on why a sprint failed, teams should ask what contributed to previous successes. Encouraging open discussion ensures all voices are heard, leading to well-rounded insights. One of the best techniques for generating insights is the 5 whys activity. We start with a problem and ask why it happened. For each answer, we ask why again, repeating the process until we uncover the root cause. This method helps avoid surface-level fixes and leads to meaningful improvements. Once we have insights, we decide what to do next. This is where SMART goals come in: specific, measurable, actionable, relevant, and time-bound. A good example of a SMART goal might be: reduce code review cycle time by 30% in the next sprint by implementing pair programming and standardizing review checklists. Clear goals like this help turn insights into action. Closing the retrospective ensures that action items are followed through. Teams should record key insights, confirm next steps, and schedule follow-ups. A quick evaluation of the retrospective itself, such as discussing what went well and what could be improved, helps make future retrospectives even better. Avoid common pitfalls that can make retrospectives ineffective. These include running overtime, taking on too many action items, unclear ownership, and poor documentation. Keeping retrospectives focused and structured is key to making them valuable. The retrospective leader plays a crucial role in keeping discussions productive. They guide activities, manage group dynamics, ensure everyone participates, and keep discussions focused. By rotating leadership roles, teams encourage shared responsibility and continuous learning. Sprint retrospectives are essential for Agile teams. By following a structured approach, teams can continuously refine their processes and improve collaboration. The key takeaways: set a safe and constructive tone, use data and team feedback to generate insights, and turn those insights into actionable improvements. That wraps up our guide to Sprint Retrospectives. How does your team handle retrospectives? Let's discuss in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if there are other topics you would like me to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on software engineering and technology. See you next time.